Elisa Dultz, Senior Scientist, Institut für Biochemie, ETH Zürich. Research and teaching at the University.
I started studying in Freiburg im Breisgau. Then I went to Uppsala University in Sweden for a year as an exchange student. And then I completed my studies with 2 years in Heidelberg. I then went on to do a PhD at the European Molecular Biology Laboratory, the EMBL in Heidelberg. And up to that point, I had been already had been very clear to me that I wanted to work in research and that I wanted to become a researcher, but my thoughts had never gone further than to the PhD. So during the PhD, then I had to figure out what I wanted to continue. And I already then felt that I did not really want to become a professor. Maybe I was not confident enough, but anyway, I thought I would not want to do that, but I still did want to stay in research. So I went to do a postdoc in California at the UC Berkeley to do more research. And I really enjoyed also the possibility to go abroad again and work in a different cultural and environment and see how science is done somewhere else. After that time of traveling, I was then ready to settle down. I had started a family, and I was very happy to get the opportunities to start to come to ETH, where I'm now since 4 years as a senior scientist. So what is that actually, senior scientist? My work is, for the largest part, in research and some teaching. My position, which in German is called leitender wissenschaftlicher Angestellter, is embedded within the professorship. So I'm in the group of Professor Carsten Weiss, but within that group I have the wide possibilities to build up my own research program and my own research topics. A lot of my time that I also call research is student supervision, master students, semester students, as well as PhD students. I do some teaching. Many of you will or have already seen me, for example, in the Grundlagenpraktikum in the yeast genetics. But I also have some general roles in supporting the lab, the other people in the lab and the professor in their daily tasks. This is a great job. I really love this job. It's super flexible. I can combine it with family because the working hours are up to my choosing. Still, it is a job that requires hard work and motivation, but it is interesting. I can do the research I love. I can interact with students and teach them to be great researchers themselves. And at an excellent institution like ETH, it's always a pleasure to work with smart people. And I think one of the great opportunities of research at such a good university. I wish you all the best for your studies. Take your opportunities to learn to know different labs, different working environments. Every lab works differently, and you have to find out for yourselves what is the kind of research I want to do, what is the kind of environment I want to do my research in. Do I want to do research at all, of course. Take your opportunities, make contacts to different professors and researchers early on, during block courses already, during your semester projects. Find out what you like. Thank you.